Hey YouTubers, welcome to our channel. My name is Lucy, and on this channel we explore math concepts using Python. And to help us started with that exploration, we'll be using our guidebook, Math Adventures with Python, an illustrated guide to exploring math with code. More on that in just a minute. First, my backstory with math. Well, like all of us, you go to kindergarten and you learn your numbers. You go to elementary school and you're learning your arithmetic and all that. And for me, I didn't feel challenged by math until we ran into algebra. Algebra did not come as naturally as the addition and subtraction and all of that had come. So this was the first time that I felt like, wow, I'm not fully getting this subject. And that introduced an anxiety about math and a lack of confidence. And then I started feeling like, well, maybe I'm not good at math. I'm not a math person. I don't like math. And actually, I kind of hate math. And this lack of confidence and anxiety stayed with me for the rest of my schooling. Years later, I met Pete. And unlike me, Pete loved math. He thought it was fun. He thought it was creative. I could not relate. But as time has gone by and Pete grew in his teaching career, I kept a pretty healthy distance away from math. But in watching him put this book together and in me doing the exercises, I've been able to say, hey, wait a minute, maybe math and coding is not this big, scary subject that only some people get. Maybe we can all learn. We can all get excited about it, because when I put in a line of code and the image or the pattern that I'm working on changes, like, that is so exciting. So if you're like me and you're looking to change how you feel about math, welcome. You've come to the right place. And if you're like Pete, where you already are comfortable with math, you love math, maybe you even have a passion for math, welcome also. This book has lots of great things to get your hands on. So please share or comment below. Share your math story. What's your relationship with math? Positive, negative, something in the middle? We would love to hear it. So see you next time.